Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little lunchbox looking thing here, but I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what this is. And it is basically, you could use it for anything, but I'll be using it for some of my camera equipment and stuff as I take it places. So it's got like four sections, a little Velcro, a little mesh side on the side, and it looks like it's even got a pocket on the back, and it gives you the ability to kind of close it up. But if you want to, you can secure it too. So that's kind of what I like about it too, is I can do a little securing of the little clip into here, and then I can have it just, so it won't fall apart. Sure, if somebody wants to get in, I'm sure they have the ability too. But this is one here. It looks like, I don't know, there's the name of it. It's got a little handle on it too, and very nice convenient little case here. So I'll be putting my camera stuff in here when I take it with me and stuff. So definitely like it. Thumbs up.